This may be the next one, but I may be doing all of them if I'm interested in doing more Simon's Cat Crunch Time videos. Right? Let's see. Forget about this. My jam. This music's my jam. This is where the theme is. All of us around the world. God. Okay, Simon's Cats. I'll give you some. I'll give you some, my friend. Don't be hungry about it. Okay? These food keep calling. These crap keep falling in. Who's gonna be? Who's gonna eat it? The marmot. I keep saying marmot. Yes. This stinks. The job is. Maisy, your meow is so high. I know. Give it something. Give me something great. Oh no, it's the bully. Okay, Maisy, I'll give you some. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Whatever you do, don't sleep. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Give me more. Okay, Simon's Cat, I'll give you more. I'm gonna get you. Gosh, this is my channel. Not what business is. This is an entertainment channel. Okay, you're out. This is easy. Stupid first level of this spring park level. I'm no longer in the highlands. Sometimes I might visit there. Yay. Find out more. It just lagged. I don't know.